hiking in Arcadia Park. Native American bully clan and Rhode Island homegrown pups. It's beautiful. A little bummed out we didn't get to go to Allentown to the show. We really wanted to get there, but it just wasn't in the cards for us this time. Animosh is in heat. Mijakquat's papers didn't come in time. And I have a dog in labor, so it wasn't happening. That's okay. Hi, my sweetie. You doing okay? Honey, you doing all right? Okay. I know Animosh flies around like a nut. Loves to run. She loves to run. This one's a little, not as, don't have the energy that Animosh has. She's a little more bullyish, built more, she's a pocket and built more bullyish. Animosh is all vigor and get up and go. And she goes. But she's beautiful to watch. Oh my God, she moves beautifully. Try to catch her. The baby's doing good. Nice little hike. Trying to develop her rear end a little better. Come on. Oh, good. You're going to go poo-poo. There's Animosh. Flying around. Animosh, heel. Good girl. You having fun? You having fun, huh, Mama? You having fun? Come on. Okay. Release. Release. Thank you. Oh, it's so beautiful here. I was hoping these people, they were behind us, so we got off the wood, and there were little fishing spots all over here, and we went into the forest on the path, because the way Animosh runs, I didn't want to take anybody out, but just let me get ahead of him again. Come on, Animosh. Come on. Come on, Mijakquat. I know you want to say hello. You want to say hello. Hi. How are you? That's Mijakquat. And that's Animosh. And they love people. And they love this. We're all trying to do it before it gets dark, right?
Oh,
yes. Oh, I know it. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Don't slip on the leaves. She's 4 months old, the baby. And Animosh is 15 months old.
And what kind of dog?
These are American bullies.
Wow. My friend had one and it was named Shane.
Oh, how
That
nice.
one's about almost full size.
Yeah, we were supposed to go to the Allentown show in Pennsylvania, and we were going to show her, but she came in heat, so much for that. We didn't end up going. So, but we did get her bred, so that's a good thing. She's a descendant of Dax, a Dax granddaughter, and she is beautiful. Oh my God, she just runs so nice. She's built so nice. She's so muscular.
Her daughter?
No, this is not her daughter. This is a moneyline bully. And I went to North Carolina to get her from Carolina Bully Farms. And they have a nice line of bullies, so it was worth the trip.
Because the coloring was so different.
Yeah, right. That's Big Country's daughter. And I wanted to breed her to Big Country. I'm going to save the breeding, then go back to her grandfather, Mo money, because I already got the breeding paid for. But I found a really nice bully here, and I bred her. Oh, she can jump. I do agility with her. We have an agility course set up at the house. If you felt her, her body is nothing but a muscle.
Like English bulldogs are pretty kind of lazy looking, right?
Right, right.
They don't move too quickly.
Like the black and white one's more got the bullyish in her, the bully. She just likes to eat and lay around. And Animosh has really got the vigor of the Staffordshire. You know, she's really got that drive. But so sweet. Such a sweet, sweet girl. She's checking on us, you know. She comes back because she's got to check to make sure we're okay.
How are they related to like bull terriers? They have like a longer snout, right?
Yeah, that's right. They have the longest snout.
And they distantly related, or?
No, these have Staffordshire, Pit, and American Bulldog in them. It's a fairly new breed, I think around about 15 years now in the making. And I think the Gotti line and Razor's Edge really got it going. And Dax, supposedly the most famous bully in the world, that's her grandfather.
Yeah.
So she will show really good. But the famous Juan Gotti, which is in the background of Dax, she really has the muscle like him. Really, really built like him. He was all defined muscle like she is.
Yeah.
Where the little black and white one is more like a bully. Their muscle, like she'll be all muscle, but it's not as defined as Animosh's is. They're a beautiful breed to own.
Yeah,
They're loyal. Yeah. I'm trying to develop her hips. She's lazy. And they're a little undeveloped.
Yeah.
So that's why I've been taking her on walks trying to build them up. I took her for an x-ray. They're okay. Her hips are good. So, therefore, she just needs to work them. Stop being, she is a bit on the lazy side. Must be that American Bulldog in her. But she got clean hips, so off we go. She takes right after her father. He's on YouTube all the time, Big Country.
Oh, yeah?
And that's all they talk about is how he just wants to eat and lay around. Well, that's her. That's her to the T. And she looks like him. She looks so much like him. But he's big and he's beautiful. And good-natured, and that really makes a difference. Like, you'd really want them good-natured. Wow, she really swings those hips, don't she? Oh yeah, they're having a ball. Oh. Here, it was under my feet.
So are they a recognized breed now for other shows?
Yes,
Yeah?
yes. Yep, they recognize UKC, ABKC. It'll be a while before they get recognized by AKC. But that's the goal. And it takes a while to get a good breed going. Animosh, heel. Heel. She'll come flying in a minute. Good girl. Good girl. Animosh, heel. Come on. Good girl. Heel. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, release. Release. Oops, sorry, baby. Come on, sweetie. Come on. Back to the car. That was a nice hike, wasn't it? Okay, signing off. Like and subscribe us. Bye. Love ya.